greet you all. I hope this finds you well. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for watching this channel. My name is Mohomuti, and those who know me from the entertainment industry, they still call me Prognosis. And for those in the Forex division, they refer to me as Alpha Wolf Forex. It is with pleasure to be able to explain to you what I will be talking to you about. I'm going to be showing you how to take our long-term signals. For, as you know, we have a Telegram channel which is a free to all channel. You can get a link in the description. Click on the link and then it will send you straight into our Telegram, where you get videos, online mentorship, you'll get long-term signals like what I'm going to be explaining now on how to take them, and then many more, including fundamental reviews, a lot of stuff that you can get. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is just join the channel. Otherwise, thank you very much. Just a reminder, if you did not subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Click on it so that you can get updates when you do videos like this, and when we send analysis and stuff, so you can just get a notification and watch. Because if you just like and you don't subscribe, when we send a video, you will not be notified, and the next time you watch it might be too late. And so just make sure that you hit that subscribe, and if you like the video, please press like, and then just to invite you also to follow us on social media. We just extended ourselves on social media. We are available on Instagram. On Instagram we are at currencymarketexecution and also at wolfpackinvestmentgroups. All those social links will be added in the description below, and you can also check us out on Facebook. On Facebook we are Wolfpack Investment Group, and our currency market execution is not yet available on Facebook, but as soon as we do so, we will let you know. So we are still running most of our stuff through the Wolfpack Investment Group page. We have another video where we explain everything, especially how we broke our divisions in Wolfpack Investment Group to cater for different things. As you know, Wolfpack Investment Group serves different functions, so we're not only doing forex, we are also doing a lot of things. So this is forex related, which is currency market execution. Otherwise, let me not speak for long. Let me explain to you and show you how to take our long-term signals, and to ensure that you always remain profitable no matter how the market reacts. Let us go.
Today they'll give you some money. Look at it. They'll give you back your own money. Nah, hold it down a favor.
Riding around music loud, swerving with the top down, living life on the right. You only get this once. You catch me riding around music loud, swerving with the top down, living life on the right.
Okay, let us do this. This is how you will usually receive. This is a PDF file. It's a 2-page PDF file. So make sure that you go through the pages. It's 2 pages. First page, it's 2 pages, which is in 3 parts. Ne? The first part is your market outlook, where we will explain and talk about what is happening in the market. We'll explain and talk about what is currently going on in the market, and then from there you have on the second page where you have the plan for the signal. This is now what we are going to do. The first part is what is happening in the market. It's market related. That is why it's called market outlook. The second part is a plan of what we are going to do, and based on what the market is doing. And then on the third part, that's your technical data, the very important. So the second and the third part is highly important, because that's what you need. That's what you need to know, because that's on the second part. You'll also have nodes. Like here, you see we have a strong rejection zone in the region 1222264. This should come when we're in profit. So this is a node that normally it will also be on the signal here. So here we just write it. Bullish resistance region failed twice to break on daily chart. There's a third critical attempt, meaning it will be a third critical attempt. As you see here, we have the first attempt and the second attempt. Now this run will be the third attempt to break this level. Once this level is broken, we expect it to go even higher or pass. You will see this note here is also coupled with what we gave here. on this last part. So it's a fully detailed signal. Like I said, the setup will come in a PDF format, and depending on which channel you are, it will come on a full PDF and a visual sometimes, but I don't want to complicate. It will come only as this picture, but that's sometimes on a public channel, sometimes on public channels, but on paid services it will come full with a picture, visual, and a 2-part page. Make sure it is 2 pages. I mean, make sure when you open it that you go to page 2. Don't only read page 1. Go also to page 2, where you'll find all the technical data. Sometimes in the visual part here you will have values here also which are written, sometimes not. It just depends. But whatever that it is, it will be communicated with you. So as I explained, the first part is your market outlook, which will explain this, what is going on. Second part, this is our plan, what we're going to do, and then why we entering the signal. And then you sometimes have notes there. It is note for you to take note of. And then technical data. You will have your technical data. The technical data, that's your entry, your stop loss. Okay, because we have been doing this a lot with our platinum group, they already know, because of the mentorship that we do, that when you can just see here that it is a buy stop. One important thing, we do buy stops. We take buy stops, buy stops or sell stops. We do pending orders because we want to enter at the same price. I understand that different brokers will give different prices. That's a topic for another day. I've got talking about that. There's a module in our YouTube channel, in the channel now, which talks about brokers. So I urge you to watch that. It will give you an insight of what I'm talking about. And then yes, so when it's like this, you already know it's a buy stop. Why? Because the red here, your entry is the white line. The red here, that's your stop loss. The green here, that's your last target. So you see here, that's your stop loss zone. This is your in, your risk reward. We are risking this portion and we are going for this portion, which is explained here. Risk reward, very important, very important. I've got a module also which is available on YouTube on our channel right now. Please watch that before you take any trade, even on your personal trades. Please, I urge you, watch that. It's very important. Your broker does not want you to watch that. Your broker does not want you. The reason why most people are not profitable is because of their risk management. You will never be a profitable trader if you do not know anything about risk management. If your risk management is poor, believe me, you can win 10 trades in a row. You are going to blow your account with only 1 trade, or you will win 10 trades in a row and lose 1 trade, which will halve your account. Why? Because of risk management. Then you'll have again to start again. That is why accounts are not growing. So watch that video. It's called, I think, do not trade forex before you watch this, and it's risk management. I think I'm going to add the description of that. I'm going to add the link for that in the description because it's very important. Please watch it. So here we are risking 1 portion, we are going for 2, and then it's also got a ratio where we divide the risk and the reward, and you get 2.04. It shows us a positive number, which means our risk management is positive, and it's very good. Normally we will start our minimum. This is our minimum risk reward. We go for 1 to 2, but it goes to 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. In that video, I explain risk management. I explain how you come to the ratio. I explain also, I give you a formula which shows you that even with a bad trading strategy, when I say bad, I'm talking about a strategy that is 30-40%, but with risk management you will still be profitable. With a bad, a 30%, which means every 3 trades you win only 1 and you lose 2. But with a good risk reward strategy, you will always be profitable in the long run. So watch that formula, comment on the comment section and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment section of our YouTube channel, or you can inbox me on 079 966 7222. Remember, that's our business center number. So the part of risk management, it's a very important part which needs its own explanation. I don't want to make this video long, but the video for risk management is available on our YouTube channel. So just find it. I'll add it on our description. I'll add the link. and then you will have your targets. Normally you have 3 targets, but on the signal we have 2, and then the third one is explained here as a note. After mid target is achieved, lock profit at early target and trail stop with 600 points. Remember why? Because of this here, because of this note that was done. So we will obviously analyze the market again when it's active to see how the market is reacting, and then we always let me just make an example on the signal that's actually running now. There's a signal that is actually running. It's been running. It's currently on profit. This signal, it didn't close yet. It's currently on profit. As you see the white line, this is the second note that you will get. Remember the first one that you got, it was a note like this. Normally it will be something like this. This is from what we are doing now. There's a current signal. The signal is not yet active. It just got analyzed and it was sent into the groups, and it is also available in the group channel. So it will come like this. Then the signal, when it's active and it's running, then we'll continue to notify you of what's happening in the market. So this was our first target. It was reached, and the second target, it is also reached. So now we are going for the third target. And then what happened is the market, because of fundamentals in the market, started affecting the trade. That is why we put this note and we released this to show our clients and to also for our public channel. And so second profit target achieved, lock profits at first target or trail stop as per PDF recommendation. This signal also came with a PDF which explained all the conditions in the market, and you see here that we have a lot of fundamentals that would affect this. Even here today we have fundamentals that will affect the signal. This is what I do. Let me just go back to here and just show you. You know, there's different types of traders. I will make a video and I will explain when I say there's different types of traders. You know, I have different trading accounts, and then on each trading account I trade differently. So you might find that you are trading with one trade account, and then you don't want to, you want to maximize your profits and you don't want to lose anything. So that is why your trail stops are very important, and where you lock your profits, because it will guarantee you that every trade you are going to leave with a profit. Every trade you are going to leave with a profit, you know. So it's very important. So for me, what I do, I've got other accounts. Okay, let me not just complicate things. I'll say most of the time in my accounts I will not trail stop, but this is just me because my account is big, and then I can handle whatever that I trade is what I'm willing to lose. So the risk that is taken here, because I know with our rates, like in our groups we do stats collection, meaning in our gold group and our platinum group, every week we send stats. We send stats to our clients. Our clients know, you know, our clients, they know what we do and our rate. We send stats of how many signals we send, how many signals reach profit, how many signals they've reached all 3 targets. You know, at this moment, for the past 2 months in a row, because we've been doing this from last year, we have 100% both on all profits taken, 1, 2 and 3, and we have also signal accuracy where we will judge between the first and the second. But I also explained that in our clients groups how we do. So I just want to keep this video short, so let me not just explain more. But I will say, me, most of the time I will usually leave the stop loss, set it on stop loss, and then I will leave the signal. I will let it run depending on the nodes that are given. If the nodes will affect me to change anything, then I will do. But normally I will just put an entry and put stop loss. Whatever that will hit, it's okay with me. Why? Because I know our rate is very good. Our rate is above 90%, you know. Hence I said, even with a strategy that is giving you 30% win rate with a good risk reward management, you will still be profitable in the long run, because I want to go for maximum profits. So that is why I'm taking that risk that I'm willing to lose. And what the lot sizes that I use, it's amount that even if it goes on a loss, it's not going to affect my account that much. But I know once it goes to the last target, it will increase my account in a very acceptable way that will make me, you know, enjoy the profit. So Yes, I hope this explains to you. I hope this gave you. I know I tried to go fast. I'm sorry for speaking for speaking fast. I'm trying to compress this video. I don't want it to be long, so that is why I'm trying to move as quick as possible. But if you have any questions, please ask on the comment section. Ask on the comment section, and I will make sure that I answer you. And then if you need to inquire about anything, ask. If you want to go on WhatsApp, get our center number, which is 079-966-7222. And please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, like and subscribe so that you can get notifications. And also do not forget to follow us on social media. I will share all the links to our social media updates, and make sure that we are one. And then join the Telegram channel. Please join it. It will do you good, especially if you are a young trader or you are just too busy to do your own analysis. Let's be profitable together, and let's stay in touch. My name is Prognosis, aka Alpha Wolf Forex, aka Mohomuti, up to you who you call me. I am basically shooting this for Wolfpack Investment Group, which is currency market execution division for Forex. I hope you enjoyed this. If you really like this video, please press like. I'm out till we meet again.